We'll guide you through the soundboard for Discord and how you can add sounds. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Discord Soundboard feature allows you to play sound effect during voice chat. It's a fun way to react, joke, or enhance conversation, but there are few important things that you should know before using it. So let's get started. First, open Discord on your computer and join any voice channel. And as you can see, I have already joined a voice channel for the sake of the video. And you need to be in the voice chat to access the soundboard. And once you are in the call, look at the bottom panel of Discord and you will see an option labeled as soundboard. Just click on it to open the soundboard, and here you will see the available sound options that are here by default. Just click on it to play during the call. You can just click on this play icon and the voice will be played in the call. Or if you just want to review the sound but do not want other person to hear, just click on this speaker icon and you will only be able to hear it as in preview. And you can even favorite a sound by just clicking on this favorite icon and the favorite will appear on the top and you can use it directly from here. Now let's talk about adding your own sounds. To do this, just open the soundboard panel and click on add sound. And you will see a new pop-up appear. Alternatively, you can just go to your server settings by clicking on your server name and go to server settings and click on soundboard. And from here, you can also click on upload sound and the same pop-up will appear. Now click on the browse and select a sound file from your computer. Make sure the file is in a supported format like MP3, WAV or OGG. And let's say I want to add this coin toss. Just click on it. And the best part is you can even edit the length of the sound. This is useful if your file contains multiple sound and you only need a specific section. You can even click on this plus icon to preview the sound. And you can give the sound a name. Let's say I want to give it as coin. And you can even choose a related emoji. The selected emoji will appear alongside the sound in the soundboard. Once everything looks good, just click on upload and your sound will be added to the server soundboard. Now, it is important to understand that Discord uses a slot system for sound. The number of sound you can upload depends on your server's boost level. For example, a server with no boost has limited slot, while higher boost level unlock more space for additional sound. So if your server runs out of slots, you will need to remove older sound or increase the server boost level. Now let's talk about volume control. Inside the soundboard panel in the call, you will see a volume icon. Just click on the volume icon to adjust how loud your effects will be. This is important because some sounds can be very loud and adjusting the volume helps keep things balanced during conversation. Another useful feature is the in-game overlay. Now, one limitation of Discord's soundboard is that you need to upload your own sounds manually. This means finding, downloading, and managing each sound yourself. Because of that, some users prefer using external soundboards like VoiceMod. VoiceMod comes with built-in sound effects and even allows you to access large library of community-created sound. It also supports hotkeys and you can play sound instantly without clicking. However, the built-in Discord soundboard is still a great option if you want something simple and integrated directly into your server. And that's it. In this video, we showed you how to access the Discord soundboard, play sound and add your own audio, manage sound slot, and control volume during voice chat. You can now check out our next tutorial video.